is one of my favorite baked mac and cheese I make. I use 3 different cheeses, and you guys will love how delicious and look at that. Look at it. It's so good. A Kobe, 8 ounces, and make sure you shred your cheese. Mild sharp cheddar, American block cheese, and a lot of people criticize me about this cheese, but this is one of the best cheese and the old-fashioned cheese that you actually put in mac and cheese. You can find these at most delis. All 3 cheese slowly. We don't want it to be too much melted, but we do want the cheese to... You can add chicken broth, transfer it right into its bowl.
I love it so much. Do you mind if I do?